Hello, this is a Canarm CP48 that I got new in the box a few weeks ago. This is the rare 120 centimeter version that we never see. We see all the time the CP56 and quite often the CP36, but this is the rare mid-size version that goes in between the two popular ones that we see all the time. So this is the 120 centimeter version. This is the box with a mistake here. Plafonnier with only one N instead of two. CP48, as you can see. I love how their boxes are so long and narrow like this. The owner manual. So it's a brand new 2011 model. I love the blades that they have put on it. The blades are very nice, very well curved. The tips are very nice, look at that. The blades don't have any lines, as you can see, but they do have a bracket, of course, with rivets, so it's not just a single piece of metal like the CP36. It's just that it doesn't have lines, unlike the large CP56. And the motor is shaped quite a lot like the CP36, except that it's obviously wider in diameter, as you can see. But the thickness is more like a CP36. I was quite surprised to find out that the canopies on it, both of the canopies, are actually metal. I've seen some of these with plastic canopies. Check out all the stickers that they put on these fans. And the date is here, you can see 2011. It's a regular J-hook mounting, you know, with a rubber wheel. You probably noticed that I cut the down rod. It was originally 40 centimeters long, and I cut it to about 26 centimeters. But the length that you see between the two canopies is about only 15 centimeters, because the part of the down rod is hidden in the upper and lower canopy. So I'm showing it to you like usual with my 4-speed quiet slider. Here it is on full speed. It's extremely powerful, and it moves an insane amount of air. The air delivery is just totally awesome. It does about probably about 280 RPMs, possibly 300 almost. Wow, that's a very good amount of air. I can feel a lot of air from where I am. So here is the second highest speed. It's slowing down to about 200 RPMs, which is the regular high speed of a lot of fans. Now the second slowest speed. You've probably noticed it has the typical helicopter sound that most of fans with 3 metal blades have. Now it's going at about probably 130 RPMs, which is like a regular medium speed. You still get the air noise, but it's a lot lower. And the air delivery at that speed is still very, very good. And here's the slowest speed. It's slowing down to about 80 RPMs around. You can still hear a little bit of air noise, but not much. You have to be really close to the fan to hear it. I love that downrod length for a fan with 2 canopies like this. It's a perfect distance between the 2 canopies. Not too long, not too close together. It's just perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment.